Hello from Myrtle Beach. Today we are at the north end of Myrtle Beach proper near the Arcadian Shores, or in the Arcadian Shores area. We are at this lovely Hilton property here. We're actually going to give you a room tour during this video of this tower over here. We're going to take a look at one of the rooms there, but we're also going to go inside and show you everything this resort has to offer. Hi, I'm Carmen. If you're new here, we cover everything Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area. If you're a return viewer, welcome back. We are so glad to have you with us. So as you walk in, you have this grand lobby. I mean, this is seriously grand. You've got some rooms that are looking out over the lobby. You have a couple of gift shops here. You've also got a quick service style eatery, but there are several restaurants up here on the mezzanine level, as well as a few bars. So we're going to check all of that out. They've also got the Black Drum Brewing, which was actually a pretty big deal when it owned. It's a microbrewery here that's right here at this resort. So all kinds of things to do here. They've definitely got a lot of pools and other activities as well. And of course it's oceanfront, so we're going to check that out too. There are several Hilton properties in the Myrtle Beach area so that you can find this one. This one is at 10,000 Beach Club Lane. So just to let you know that that is where it is located so that you can easily find it. But I wanted to show you this gorgeous outside area. You've got these really nice sitting nooks. You've got a huge life-size chess set over here. Lots of places to relax. This beautiful ocean view. And of course, you've got this beautiful pool area. Let's go down the stairs and take a closer look. Here's a closer view of these beautiful pools. They also do have a kiddie pool if you've got your little ones with you, as well as a fun oceanfront bar. I mean, what a great place to hang out and enjoy this beautiful day. We are having some amazing weather right now. Let's go out and get a closer look at the beach. We've got some nice seating area over here to the side as well. Plenty of loungers, like lots and lots of loungers. You've got some umbrellas if you like to stay out of the sun. And then you've got this gorgeous view. I mean, it just doesn't get much better than this. We'll walk up here to the corner so you can see a little bit more. And this is a beautiful area of Myrtle Beach. It's pretty secluded. So this is not going to be a super busy area of Myrtle Beach if you're looking to get away from sort of the busier parts of Myrtle Beach. Also, you got oceanfront beach access, which is awesome. And it is right here next to this bar. And this bar also has these awesome sort of sit at the bar. I mean, not the bar, but here, I mean, look at this. Just sit here and enjoy this view. I could definitely sit here for quite a while with this awesome view. Here's a more up close view of that great outdoor bar by the pool. And also they do have another section of pools over here. And so this one has a nice waterfall. It kind of looks like a lazy river, but it's not. It's actually a pool, but beautiful landscaping and design of the pool. Now I'm down on the beach to give you the beach view. So this is looking back at the hotel. There's that bar, there's the great pool. So I wanted to mention here, a lot of these hotels you see, a lot of them are all in conjunction with each other. So they have a shuttle that goes between them. So like the Black Rifle Brewing that I mentioned, it's down in this direction. And then also the shuttle runs this way, and they share some facilities with the Embassy Suites. So it's not just this one resort, that they have a lot of shared amenities, which is pretty neat. So you get a lot of different options. But then of course I had to show you this beautiful beach. And if you're wondering, we get this question a lot, like where is the beach? It is high tide right now. So this is what high tide looks like. We're right at the peak of it, but it's no less beautiful. I mean, this is just gorgeous. And like I said, this is a beautiful, beautiful part of Myrtle Beach. This Arcadian Shores area is very peaceful, very quiet. And those buildings you see in the distance down there, that is North Myrtle Beach, because we are at the northmost end of Myrtle Beach proper. Back inside in the main lobby area, I'm now on the second floor. So you've got the Aranda bar and also Cafe Amalfi. In the bar area, they even have a piano, so that's pretty neat. This isn't open right now, but you can tell this would be a great space, especially if it was either dark outside and you didn't want to enjoy the ocean view, but you can see it from inside, or you know, if it's a rainy day or something like that. They do have a full service spa here, so that's something you can definitely look into if you are staying here. Let's take a look at a room. So this is one room that is in this resort. This doesn't represent every room type, but we wanted to at least show you one room we've got here. So we're going to pop into the bathroom. You've got a tub and a tiled shower. The floor is also tiled. You've got a toilet, got some artwork, you've got a mirror with a sink there. And then it does have a little mini kitchen over here. You've got a microwave, some storage. You've got a dual coffee maker, 2 cups at a time, which is nice. You've also got an ice bucket and a good size fridge. You know, it's not full size, but that's a pretty decent size. It's like a half size fridge. Over here, you've got a king size bed with 2 nightstands. You've got a nice chair and ottoman here, a decent size TV and dresser. There's the other nightstand. One point is there are not USB plug-ins on both sides of the bed. There's only that one there on the one side of the bed. Again, it's going to probably vary from room to room. We've got a couple of chairs and a small table, and then we're going to go outside. This is an ocean view room. They also have oceanfront rooms. These doors are very heavy. So a nice 4-seater table. And then you do have a really good view of the ocean once you come out here. I mean, this is really nice. But to show you another example, so this right here, that huge balcony is for one condo. So there are different sized rooms, so definitely look into that if you have a larger family. If you'd like to learn more about Myrtle Beach and the surrounding area, be sure to click on the video on your screen right now. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.